To get started with SuperDuperDB, you can first pip install us, check us out on GitHub, lots of resources, key features and introductory material. Then you can navigate to our docs. We've got high-level explanations, tutorials, and these tutorials are available in their notebook form on GitHub in the documentation subdirectory. So here are the notebooks, and we've also got worked out use cases which you can browse through. And if you'd like to use a particular type of data backend or model, you would simply select that, and then after making your selection, you can download the notebook, which will just be using those choices, and you'll have a single linear use case utilizing the options on these documentation pages. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have questions or would like to contribute to the discussion, then you can join us on GitHub and knock yourself out.